Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and where's my piece of paper? You see before you, I've got it written down, a 40 by 50 centimetre or 15.7 by 19.7 inch canvas, and I've added a little bit of black paint on it, and I'm going to do a jiggle sort of pour. I have a cup, I hope it's big enough, I think it will be. So the colours that I've got are black, and this is an off-white, not pure, but it's got a bit of house paint in it, and it's not quite pure white, but that's okay because I think it'll look nice. And so the other colours are blue, gold, black, and this, for want of a better word, white. Just doing the last little bits. The recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find below, show more under this video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us there. So let's do this. Looks interesting already, but I might just put some white and blue and gold into the centre there, just to make sure I've got enough paint mainly. We'll see how this goes. I'll just do it over the top where I was. Here too, go around the edge. This is leftovers from the previous pour. I thought I'd done enough paints for today and was going to pack up, and then realised I had all these beautiful colours. So rather than put them away, I thought, I'll use them. Oh, so the only colour you hear with any silicone in it is the blue. Purposely did not put any in any of the others, so I just mainly wanted to see how that would work out. And I might just turn him around. He's a little bit bigger than my arm span. Just covering this canvas. Oh yes, so I might just turn him around again. Oh, I'll bring him over to this corner first. There goes my clock. Has bird sounds, and every half hour I get a different little bird. It's kind of cute, I like it. I'm just bringing him over to this corner. Bam. Not turn that blue off, please. We need some of it. Oh, that's really coming up, isn't it? Just bringing it down onto this corner. did. I might take him back a bit before I bring him down to this last corner. Oh no, he's alright. Bring that down. And then over. In you come. That's enough. And then we'll just bring him down this way a little bit. Fingerprints. Oh, who's a clever girl? On there. Just take this off underneath. Alright. So I just wipe my hands off. I think they need it. And then we'll give it a little torch. Rid of them and heated it up, getting selection here between the blue and white's rather pretty, and then I've got some other cells here, and then some here in the white and black, which is has to be from the white because only the blue had silicone. Oh, there's Floetrol in the pouring medium, so that's probably helped as well. It's all good. So I'm just bringing you down to have a closer look. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And that's what I've been looking at. The gold is rather nice. It'll be sparkling when it's dry. And you can see the little cells there. Some of them aren't so little either. It's okay. Coming across. There, those other little ones I saw. They look like wind across the snow, don't they? Pretty. Some nice beachy type lines. Very pretty. I do hope you've enjoyed this. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. Please give this one the thumbs up, I do appreciate that. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.